Thank you for joining 1 Minute News. This is the 1 minute summary of this breaking news. For detailed report, keep watching this report.
The drama surrounding India's Asia Cup victory has escalated to an international standoff. Champions India, who defeated Pakistan in the final on September 28, 2025, are yet to receive their trophy. The silverware, which should have been presented immediately, is currently locked away in the Asian Cricket Council headquarters in Dubai. The entire controversy stems from the post-match presentation, where the victorious Indian team, led by Surya Kumar Yadav, declined to receive the trophy from ACC President Mohsin Naqvi, who is also the chairman of the Pakistan Cricket Board and Pakistan's Interior Minister. This decision was reportedly a mark of protest, linking back to geopolitical tensions and a show of respect for the victims of Pahalgam terror attack. The impact and standoff. Following the Indian team's refusal, Naqvi, in an unprecedented move, instructed ACC officials to take the trophy away. Now, despite a formal demand from the Board of Control for Cricket in India, the BCCI has refused to release it. He insists that a senior BCCI official and a player must travel to Dubai to receive it directly from him in a formal ceremony. The BCCI has firmly rejected this condition, calling it a deviation from established protocol, and has issued an ultimatum: hand over the trophy immediately or the matter will be escalated to the International Cricket Council during its upcoming meeting in November. The boards of Sri Lanka and Afghanistan have also reportedly thrown their weight behind the BCCI, urging Naqvi to respect sporting tradition. This isn't just a trophy, it's a test of the non-political integrity of global cricket.
This is the 1 minute summary of this breaking news. For detailed report, keep watching this report.
The unprecedented Asia Cup trophy deadlock, now weeks long, goes far beyond a simple administrative hiccup. It is a highly charged intersection of geopolitical tension and sporting governance, threatening the very sanctity of the Asian Cricket Council. The root of this issue can be traced back to the entire Asia Cup 2025 tournament. India, under captain Surya Kumar Yadav, maintained a perfect, dominant record. However, the atmosphere was fraught with tension. On the day of the final in Dubai, on September 28, 2025, the Indian team made a conscious and public decision. They refused to accept the Asia Cup trophy and the winners' medals from Mohsin Naqvi, the ACC president. This decision, the team confirmed, was a political and moral stand. It was a direct response to the Pahalgam terror attack that occurred during the tournament, and to Mr. Naqvi's reported social media posts during the competition, which the Indian side viewed as inflammatory and political. Earlier in the tournament, he was fined 30% of his match fee by the ICC for dedicating a victory to the Pahalgam terror attack victims, an incident that underscores the political undercurrents of the entire series. In a shocking departure from sporting protocol, as the Indian players stood waiting for the ceremony, Mr. Naqvi, instead of handing over the trophy, instructed ACC officials to take the silverware and the winners' medals off the presentation stage. He then left the venue. This move was described by BCCI Secretary Debajit Saikia as extremely unfortunate and unsportsmanlike and a breach of sporting etiquette. In the latest development, Naqvi has formally responded to the BCCI's demand. He has refused to courier the trophy, instead offering to host a special ceremony in Dubai on November 10, 2025, where an Indian player and official can collect it from him personally. He states the trophy is being held in trust until this happens. The BCCI has flatly rejected this condition, viewing it as an attempt to force a formal meeting to legitimize his presentation, which they initially refused. The BCCI's firm stance is now backed by the cricket boards of Sri Lanka and Afghanistan. The Indian board has now issued an ultimatum threatening to escalate the entire governance issue to the International Cricket Council (ICC) during its board meeting in early November. With former BCCI Secretary Jay Shah leading the ICC, this escalation could put immense pressure on Naqvi and the ACC, testing the true boundaries of politics in international sport. The impact is significant. The prestige of a major continental trophy is diminished, and the trust between two of the game's biggest administrative bodies has been severely damaged.